Are you ready? Ready to really take a look at your business cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is essential for every business that uses the internet, whether you send emails, host websites, or store customer data. A widely recognized minimum standard is Cyber Essentials, which is a government-approved scheme for businesses. The scheme addresses the essentials of cybersecurity in 5 core controls, which can protect your business from the majority of common internet threats. The Cyber Essentials certification badge lets your customers and supply chain know that you have achieved a recognized standard and are therefore serious about cybersecurity. Many small businesses worry about their cybersecurity. They know they need to address it but find it overwhelming and complicated and don't know where to start. This is a very common barrier for businesses. To help you get started, IASME, on behalf of the National Cybersecurity Centre, has developed a free online Readiness Tool. The Readiness Tool is an interactive website which forms the first step in the journey towards becoming Cyber Essentials certified. It is designed to support and educate, showing the way through some of the technical jargon and creating a tailored pathway for you to follow. How do you use the Readiness Tool? Go online to the Cyber Essential Readiness Tool. The first page will tell you about the Cyber Essentials scheme, and then you will work your way through a series of questions that ask you about your organization. If you are an educational provider, there is a separate pathway through the Readiness Tool, which addresses your sector-specific needs and gives you the guidance that is relevant to you. If you are not an educational provider, you will be asked to identify your business sector, your size, and whether you have held a certification before. There will be a series of questions that address different parts of your organization's security. The questions assume no technical knowledge and are written in plain English. You can work at your own pace, even saving your answers, taking a break, and going back later. Your answers to the questions will inform the tailored guidance and step-by-step action plan, which will be presented to you when you reach the end of the Readiness Tool. Download or print off your Readiness Action Plan and start to work your way through the action items. It will inform you about what more you need to do to be secure. By the end of the process, you will be ready to apply for Cyber Essentials certification. Are you ready? Let's go!